Hello kids, good morning, welcome back. I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying the learning sessions. You all have learned the story of an orange tree, chapter 1, Boundless Nature. Now let's have a quick revision of the story again.
Nature has given us so many resources like water, sun, wind, which are boundless, which means unlimited or endless. Nature has also given us many things which includes different fruits and vegetables. Let's revise the story of an orange tree. An orange is a type of citrus fruit which people love to have and which is a good source of vitamin C. No one is aware about the home of oranges. Southeast Asia is thought to be the first home of the oranges. Today, the oranges are grown in most of the warmer parts of the world. The Greeks and Romans knew about the orange. The people who belong to Greece are called Greeks and the people who belong to Rome are called Romans. So they were the one who knew about the orange. It is possible that the orange was carried from India to Western Asia and then to Europe. So it is a possibility that the orange was carried from India to Western Asia and then it was carried to Europe. Orange is the most important fresh fruit in international trade. So student, what is the meaning of trade? Trade means the business which is carried on between two companies or two countries. So today, orange is the most important fresh fruit which is trade off between two companies or countries. The three chief kinds of oranges are the sweet or common orange, the mandarin orange and the sour or bitter orange. It is after 3 years that the tree bears fruits. It takes 3 years for a tree to bear fruit. So, after we sow the seed, the plant grows and after 3 years it becomes a tree and bears fruit. So, the orange tree also takes 3 years to grow oranges. An interesting kind of sweet orange is called the blood orange. Its pulp is deep red in color and it is grown in the Mediterranean region. Mediterranean region means the region of lands around the Mediterranean Sea that have a Mediterranean climate with mild, rainy winter and hot, dry summer. So students, the interesting kind of sweet orange is called the blood orange. Why it is called blood orange? As its pulp is deep red in color. The temple orange is an orange with a thin loose skin. It is a mixture of the mandarin and the sweet orange. Students, what is the meaning of mandarin? Mandarin orange means a small and a sweet orange. So, the temple orange has a very thin loose skin. So, it is a mixture of a mandarin as well as the sweet orange. The sour orange is grown almost everywhere, especially in Spain. Spain is a country in Western Europe. So, the sour orange is grown everywhere and especially it is found in Spain. The chief use of sour orange is to make marmalade. What is the meaning of marmalade? A food item made with oranges or lemon, such as jam. This kind of oranges are not possible to eat. They are sour in taste. So, they are only used to make marmalade. It is a type of jam. The orange is a clean fruit. Anyone who touches it only touches the outer covering, which can be easily peeled off. What is the meaning of peel off? To take off skin of fruits or vegetables. So students, you know that oranges have two covering, outer covering and inner covering. So if anyone wants to eat orange, first outer covering is to be removed. So without removing outer covering, it is not possible to touch the inner covering. So the orange is known as a clean fruit because no one can touch its inner covering without peeling off the outer covering. The skin of oranges are thick, oily and bitter, which does not allow insects to get into it. So students, without removing the outer covering, we also cannot touch the inner covering. And how is the skin of orange? The skin of oranges are thick, oily and bitter. The taste of the skin is bitter in taste, which does not allow the insects also to get into it. Oranges, therefore, are in demand all over the world. Just as the oranges are clean fruit, it is in demand all over the world. So, here we have learnt few things about oranges. Now, it's time to revise the key words which we have learnt from the story. Trade, business between two companies or countries. Mandarin, a small and a sweet type of orange. Marmalade, a food item made with oranges or lemons, such as jam. Peel off, to take off skin of fruits and vegetables, specially, to a great extent, very much. Demand, to insist. Possible, able to be done or achieved. So, here we are done with our revision. So, thank you kids. Have a nice day. Revise it nicely, practice it and learn it.